guys, what's up, and welcome back to my channel. Today it's Thanksgiving, so happy Thanksgiving. So I thought I'm gonna make some pumpkin cupcakes with a cream cheese frosting. It's so delicious and it's just a perfect combo. So let's get started. Now in a medium-sized bowl, whisk together
a vegetable oil, brown sugar, vanilla extract, and 2 eggs.
By the way, all the measurements will be down in the description box below if you're wondering. So now we're going to add in our oil. By the way, you can also do this with a hand mixer, but I'm just going to do it with a whisk. Brown sugar, vanilla extract. Okay, do you want to finish that off? And then our 2 eggs. You can also just whisk these eggs to get them scrambled, but I'm just going to pour them in with the yolk and then break the yolk while we're mixing. Now we're going to mix that all together, and then once we're done mixing, we're going to set the bowl aside. No, not yet.
Just keep going, go ahead.
Okay, so your batter should be almost like a caramelly texture. So my batter right now looks like this, and it's super thick, like caramel. So now we're just going to set that aside and mix our dry ingredients.
And now in the separate bowl, you're going to whisk together flour, baking powder, and cinnamon.
Along with nutmeg, salt, and baking soda. I want to add those in. Got in our flour, baking powder.
I'd like to do the rest.
Yes. Okay. And then, now we're just going to whisk that.
One more.
Oh, one more.
What is it? Something.
Nutmeg. Wait, no. That's baking soda. Okay. Now, whisk. Now, we're going to mix our wet and our dry ingredients together. Make sure you're getting all of the batter from the bowl and fold it in with a spatula. Again, you can also be using a hand mixer for this. Now that our batter is all fully incorporated, we're going to add in our last ingredient, our pumpkin puree. Just going to spoon that in. And then Julia is going to fold it in with our spatula. Now bake the cupcakes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 18 to 20 minutes. Now that my cupcakes have cooled, I'm going to frost them with some cream cheese frosting. This is totally optional, but I just feel like they taste much better with it on. I'm using a piping bag, but you can just put them on with a knife. So, just going to pipe them, and then I have some orange pumpkin gummies that actually Julia is going to put on top. There we go. Julia, pumpkin time. So now we're going to take our pumpkin gummies. She's just going to put them on top. And now, look, ooh, it's so pretty. And now I'm just going to frost the rest of them and top them off with some pumpkin gummies. My cupcakes are all ready, and I hope you guys had a happy Thanksgiving. Thanks for watching. Bye.